Okay, we talk about the tool, minimum bounding geometry, but here we do use the multiple part to single part management. So multiple to single part creates a feature class containing single part feature generated by separating multi-part input features. So the usage, so now we do have attributes of the input feature will be maintained in the output feature class. So a new field, original feature ID, will be added to the output feature class and sent to the input feature IDs. And then we do have each part of a multiple feature will be separated into individual features in the output feature class. And features that are already single part will not be affected. Most of the output feature types will be the same as input. Polygons remain polygons, and input lines remain lines. The one exception is if the input features are the multi-point. The output feature class will be type point. To reconstruct multi-part features from single part features based on a common field value such as original ID, feature ID, and we're going to use the dissolve tool. A multi-patch feature will be separated into its constitute geometry parts. Each part can be defined by a collection of vertices containing x, y, and z coordinates that are arranged as individual triangles that reference three vertices and triangle strips that are defined by multiple triangles with successfully share one common edge, and triangle fans that are defined by multiple triangles with a common point of origin, and rings that represent a coplanar region whose planar boundary is defined by four or more vertices. So now the syntax is right here. That's how we do have the feature layer that we name FC feature class. Oh, FC is feature class. Feature class is Hawaii shapefile. It's like function. So, and then the input feature that can be any feature type. So, and then our output feature class, the output feature class containing features that vary with input feature types. So, and then our feature is new feature class is result Hawaii shapefile single. So FC is feature class. So we import ArcGIS, from ArcGIS import environment and environment workspace, and we put the path. Our feature class is this, and that's the in feature class, and out feature class is new feature class. That's our out feature class. So that's how plug into the ArcGIS, and we call multi-part to single part management. And we have an input feature and output feature, and spatial reference equals describe new feature class and spatial reference, and unit spatial reference linear unit name, and then cursor we will have this and that shape for row in cursor, and we do have a print this, and now we're going to run it. All right, it says that exit with none. Alright, then we will go to the result in Hawaii single. Zoom to layer. So, and open attribute table. And we do have original feature ID right here. It's all 0. And we do have 11, and that that creates an envelope polygon feature class for the shapefile Hawaii shapefile feature class, and there is actual tool to accomplish this. Minimum bounding geometry. So that's weird. And then we do have to use the tool is multiple to let's see, multiple to single. I think maybe I had something wrong here. Just give me 1 second. Multiple to boundary. That this one is multiple to single. And then multiple. All right. Feature class. All right. I do have something wrong here. Create feature class. And where is our tool goes? Insert cursor, and we will have to do an envelope. Alright, so, alright, okay. Alright, so now we will work on it now. So, feature class and then new feature class. It will be envelope. Envelope. 8 shapefile, and we will describe it. ArcPy.describe, and we have new feature class. The feature class, not new feature class, and we will put a spatial reference equals describe.spatial reference extend equals describe extend ArcPy, and we do have to create feature data class, create feature data class management, and we will put our path name. All right, management. Okay, put our path name. We have new feature class, and we will have polygon, and then we separate with a comma. Polygon, and we need two. 1, 2, and then comma, and comma, 1, 2, and spatial reference. And now we have a cursor. All right, cursor. Cursor equals ArcPy dot insert cursor. Insert cursor will have a new feature class, and then shape, and at there. And I have to quote with the there. Alright, and now we do have a cursor. Cursor equals this, and we will have array. Array equals to ArcPy.array, and then with our parenthesis array.append extend upper left array append extend upper right array append extend and then lower right array append extend lower left. Alright, now we have a polygon equals ArcPy.polygon just polygon, and we have array cursor dot insert row, and then polygon cursor insert row, and we do have lowercase polygon, and then delete cursor. Alright, and then I'm gonna save it and let's run it and see. Alright. Question 3. Okay, import ArcGIS. From ArcGIS, import environment or environment workspace, and from Hawaii shapefile. New feature class will be envelope, and then describe feature ArcGIS, and describe feature class, spatial reference, and describe spatial reference, and extent, describe extent, ArcGIS, create feature class management, and put the path name, and new feature class polygon, and 2 quotation mark, and with a comma, 2 quotation mark, comma, and and let me put this with a space there, and then spatial reference, that's fine. And we have a cursor ArcGIS dot and insert cursor, new feature class shape. All right, perfect. And array ArcGIS array, append, extend upper left, upper right, upper left, upper right, lower right, lower left, and polygon equals ArcGIS polygon array cursor insert. All right, that's how we don't need to. Cursor insert row, cursor insert row polygon equals ArcGIS polygon array, and then delete cursor and click save and click run, click OK. Alright, perfect. It ran. Return exit code 0. No. Alright, so now going to refresh. Where is our envelope? New feature envelope. Hawaii, and then envelope 08. Refresh again. Alright, cannot see envelope, so I'm gonna put it in results, and then let's put it into result. Okay, results. Okay, control V. Okay. Alright, envelope is right here now. There. So that's the envelope. Alright, so let's open attribute table. And that's the whole polygon. That's what we have to do. Creates a polygon feature for, there is actually 2 that accomplish this called, we didn't use minimum boundary geometry, but we do have the shape here that cover a pan upper left, upper right. It's a little still confusing, but look at this. Let me just change it. Not fill color will be no color. Outline, let's make it 3, not 0.33, and then do it red. There. So this is the envelope. All right, zoom to layer. There. Upper left, upper right. Write a script that creates an envelope polygon feature class. So envelope polygon. So let's see, what is envelope polygon? That defines here minimum boundary. This is the minimum boundary. Let's see its syntax. Minimum boundary geometry management. and we didn't use this.